Cyber Monday is just around the corner, taking place on Monday, December 2nd. Canadians can save big with Amazon with deep discounts across multiple categories and top brands during the holiday season. We're joined by lifestyle expert Niki Anastasakis to talk about all of this and more. Niki, it's awesome to have you here.
Hi.
I love a good deal.
Me too.
So what is going on Cyber Monday?
Yeah, so Cyber Monday kicks off on December 2nd, but there are some amazing deals already being offered by Amazon through to Cyber Monday. So you can get your hands on tens of thousands of deals for yourself or for your holiday gift giving in different categories like home, beauty, decor, electronics, toys, you name it. Speaking of electronics.
Yes, what do we have over here?
Yes, so this is the Amazon Echo Dot. You can save 54% off of it and also 17% off of the Amazon Kindle, which is now available in this beautiful misty green.
I love it. And you know what? They're so useful to have too. I mean, basically you have a personal assistant and you have a book on the go,
yeah,
right?
So speaking of personal assistant, the Amazon Echo Dot with Alexa can help you do things like check things off your to-do list, like reordering paper towels or telling you what the weather is, or you know, helping you write your to-do list. You name it, you can ask it anything. And then the Kindle is really good for all those bookworms, book lovers in your life. You can hold up to 16 gigabytes of data and store thousands of books. So
that's amazing. But how can Canadians find the perfect holiday gift? Because sometimes it's a bit challenging and overwhelming when you're starting. Okay, what do I need to get?
Yes. So Amazon is now offering what's called the Holiday Shop on Amazon.ca. It is a one-stop shop for you to get all your holiday gifts, and they're offering so many incredible deals. So we'll start off for golf enthusiasts. You can get 40% off of Garmin watches and store your golf scores right on your watch, and it links it directly to the app. So that's a really good gift for, you know, all the athletes in your life, the golf lovers. You can also get 40% off Nespresso machine. This is the Nespresso Virtuo coffee machine, which is my personal favorite on this table, I will say. And then there's also up to 30% off select fragrances, including Hugo Boss, Calvin Klein, and then also 30% off select toys like Hasbro, Melissa & Doug, and Spin Master.
Amazing. And these are all really, really good brands, which I love. I was saying I just gifted this. I have one of these at home.
I know, how funny.
The table is my, literally.
You just
we're playing all night long. Not for myself, friends, okay? Not for myself. But what other deals are available for Canadians who are looking to shop on Cyber Monday?
Yeah, so in addition to the tech I mentioned earlier, you can get perfect items for your personal use or gifts as well, including 30% off the Revlon Ionic one-stop volumizer, 30% off of beauty items like Mura. This is overnight serum, which helps with things like skin wrinkles and firming. And so many things, options for everybody, and why not spoil yourself along the way?
100%. Speaking of spoiling yourself, I mean, is this only available to Prime members, or is this available to everybody? Who has access to all of these deals?
So Cyber Monday is open to all Canadians, in fact. So run on over to the site, get your deals now. But if you aren't a Prime member, this is a really great time to sign up. It's $9.99 for you to sign up monthly. So head on over. You can get access to so many other deals, including Amazon Prime deals, Amazon Prime shipping, which is fast and free delivery, my favorite. Amazon Prime Video, Amazon Music Prime, and much more.
That's amazing. Honestly, so worth it. So one more time, where can people find information and get these deals and sign up?
Yes, again, Amazon.ca/Cyber Monday is where you can go to access all the deals we talked about today and so much more.
Amazing. Like you said, one for me, one for you. Thanks so much, Niki.
Thanks.